Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make 3 different Korean style corn dog. Let's get started! 안녕 친구들, are you guys ready to cook? Today we're gonna cook one of my favorite childhood recipe. When I was young, right after school, I always got this snack on the way home. I really loved it. This was literally one of my favorite snacks when I was young. And that snack is... hot dog. I know it sounds weird. Hot dog. In Korea, we call it as a hot dog. It's very similar to the American corn dog, but tastes super different. And today I'm gonna teach you guys Korean style. Should I call it hot dog or corn dog? Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna teach you Korean style corn dog. So let's get started. To get started, we need to make our batter. So first, you need 350 grams of bread flour or strong flour. Get a big bowl and add your flour. 5 grams of salt. 15 grams of sugar. 80 grams of glutinous rice flour. Making batter is super scary. Those numbers are super accurate. Like, making batter is basically science, not a cooking. Once you measure it, you can't change it. If I put like a little more, I can't take it out. I'm super scared. When you're making your batter, make sure add little by little so you don't mess it up. 8 grams of dried yeast. And mix it well. Next, we need 1.7 cups of warm water. That's about 1.7 cups. And mix them well. In Korea, there are a lot of different kinds of hot dog, such as original, cheese, potato, shrimp, squid ink, and more. Today, I'm gonna teach you guys 3 different styles of hot dog. I already made the first 2, but I never made the 3rd one. And I'm not sure it will work, and it's kinda challenge to me, so we'll find out. I'm kinda scared. Next, we need 60 grams of oil. Use any kind of vegetable oil and mix it well.
Wouldn't it be more satisfying with your hands?
Yeah. Ooh. So satisfying. Oh my god, so 말랑말랑, squishy squishy. Who like to use a tool when you have a hands? Tools for the dummies. Ooh! Oh my gosh, it's literally stress relief, like squishing the slime, like the same as a fidget spinner. So if you don't have a slime or a fidget spinner, make sure make this. Oh my god, I didn't expect this, so I just want to do this for 2 hours.
I guess I just turned the chef into a baker.
Yeah. If you want to watch this 2 hours, let me know that I can do this. After you relieve all your stress, cover it with the plastic wrap. We're gonna let it rest in a warm place for 2 hours so it can double in size. While we're waiting for the batter to double in size, we're gonna prepare our hot dog. So to get started, we need wooden chopstick. If you have any wooden stick, it will work, but I'm gonna use wooden disposable chopstick. Get a stick for each dog. I'm gonna make 3 different kinds, so I'm gonna use 3. Open up your dogs and stick them in. Next hot dog is cheese hot dog. It can be all cheese or all dog. So I'm gonna make it to my preference. So cut them in half. Get any cheese you like, but in Korea street vendor, they usually use mozzarella cheese. So if you wanna experience full Korean street food, you should definitely get the mozzarella cheese. Slice your cheese same size as your smaller half and just put it on the stick. This is the ratio I like, but ratio can be different depending on your preference. In Korea, some street vendors sell it with just cheese, no hot dog. So make it however you like. 어제, come here. 앉아. Good boy. 먹어. Leave it. Why is it looking somewhere else? That's super cute. Oh my gosh, I can't. 알았어, 먹어. Take it. Good boy. I guess you only speak English. 뭐지? Go. Thank you for watching. Press like. After playing with your dog, stick your last dog. Next, we need 1 or 2 potatoes. Depending on the size of potato, it will be different. We're gonna slice it into small cubes, slice it into quarters, and slice it into thirds, and thirds again. So, about this size. And one more just in case. And put to the side. Next, get a plate and breadcrumbs. To make Korean hot dog, you need breadcrumbs. So if you don't have it, make sure you get it. You can't skip this part. And put to the side. Next, get a deep frying pan and add some oil. You need enough oil to cover half of the hot dog. We're gonna preheat the oil, so turn your stove on medium. After 2 hours, get the batter. Wow, it's gonna explode. Look at it. Oh my god. Will it pop or try? Oh, I thought it was gonna pop, but it's kind of disappointing. Take your wrap off. This is what it looked like. Next, get a hot dog and stick it in. Start rolling and coat it with the breadcrumbs and put it into the oil. Repeat this part with all your dogs. Oh, I forgot to say, when your oil is about 170 degrees Celsius, put your hot dog. We're gonna cook it for about 5 minutes, so make sure flip it in the middle. Just so you guys know, Korean hot dog is not a home food. My mom even never cooked it for me. When I was young, my mom used to get frozen hot dog and make it for my after school snack. So if you have a kid, make this after school, then they can feel like they're in Korea without coming to Korea. Once your hot dog is golden brown like this color, take them out. There's a giant one. I like it. So for the last one, stick your hot dog in and roll it up. After you coat it, cover it with the potato. This one is the challenge one. I never made it at home, so I'm not sure that will stick well, but let's see what we can do. Oh. Oh. This thing does.
Wait.
This thing failed! I don't know, somehow my first try like this thing didn't really work, so me and Sarah tried the second one, and I don't think it will work, but we'll see how it will turns out. I'm good at cook but not good at baking. If you guys know how I should make it more sticky or more, I don't know, do something to hold this potato, please let me know in the comment down below. I'm not gonna put this in a thumbnail. I kinda failed, but this is what I got. Next, get a plate and one of your hot dog. This part is optional, but Koreans like to eat hot dog with sugar. So sprinkle some sugar on top of the hot dog. Add as much sugar as you want. And for the cheese one, I don't want to put the sugar, so I'll just place it nicely. And I don't know what to do with this one. I'll be honest with you guys. This is called either 감자 hot dog or 도깨비 방망이, which is a gobbling club. But I think it kind of looked like a gobbling club though. 도깨비 방망이, so I think Sarah did a good job. Very nice. That's it. Our 3 different hot dog, I don't know, you can say 3 different, but 2.5 are all ready to eat. it. Which one should I try first? All of them look so good. I'm gonna try the most pretty one. It literally looks like a restaurant version. Look at how fluffy, fat it is. It looks like a perfecto. It looks super good, so I really wanna try. The last sip. I can't fit in my mouth. Oh my god, it's so good. If I had it right after I cooked it, this cheese will like fall up in my mouth like ooh, you know what I mean. I don't know how to say it in English. But since I had to make more and a thumbnails and an intro and outro, it kinda cooled down so it didn't stretch, but it tastes super good. I don't know if it's the dough or because of cheese or it's all together. When I have a bite, outside it's super crispy, but inside it's very ooey gooey. It's so ooey gooey, yummy chewy. Do you know what I mean? I feel like I'm in a baseball game. Who made this kind of corn dough, like a giant one? I couldn't even fit it in a one bite. It almost hurt my mouth. Like, I really like how big it is. Bigger is always better. That's what you said. Next, I'm gonna have an original with the sugar coated. Let's try. Since it's sugar coated, I feel like I'm eating two different dishes. I mean, they're both hot dog, but it's a completely different dish. More than I'm eating a corn dog because of the sugar, I feel like I'm eating a donut, but there's a hot dog in it. Oh, that's the best part. When you lick it, there's a sugar on my mouth. I like it. It's like, whatchamacallit? Eating a breakfast. You got the pancake, sausage, and syrup on top and eating together. It goes super well. I feel like I'm eating a breakfast. Mama, make this for the breakfast. It tastes super good. For the last one, I will show you what it looked like. If you guys see it, there's like a potato on the side. It has like a deep fried potato cube, so it looked like a gobbling club. So when I was young, every time when I had this, I usually sang the song. And I will teach you how to do it. 이상하고 아름다운 도깨비 나라 방망이를 휘두르면 무엇이 될까 나와라 와라 뚝딱 뚝딱 나와라 와라 뚝딱 뚝딱. That's what you gotta do. So let's try. I don't even know how to start this one. I don't even know how. That's not important.
Cover your mouth. Don't choke. I don't know why.
Oh, I saw my grandma. I almost died. Professional home chef. Available in kwonscorner.com. I'll be honest with you. This looks not right. But he's super bright. Try. This is the best. This one was like a breakfast with the syrup. But this one is actual breakfast, like with the hash brown. Like there's no syrup on it, but it's super good. Because of the potato, I feel like it's way more filling and savory. And I really like it. You should definitely try. For the foreigner, maybe when you guys see the Korean hot dog, it might be gross to you guys because it's covered with the sugar, or it looks like a gobbling club, or sometimes it's a black because they use a squid ink. But all these three, I guarantee you guys will love it. If you love donut, you will definitely love, and if you love cheese, you will definitely love it. If you like to eat breakfast with the potato, you will definitely love it. So make sure, try this, and if you succeed, let me know how to do it. That's it for today's episode, and if you like this episode, please hit the like button. That will help my channel a lot. What time is it? Time to announce Jingle of the Week. So Jingle of the Week is Lolo Love Good 10. Miss Cheshire, why'd you change your username? I can't even pronounce it. She made my duck galbi with the vegan ground beef. She actually made a perfect heart, which I couldn't even make it. I hope you enjoyed.
Thank you.
Keep cooking delicious food, and if you're cooking my food, please tag me. Thank you to all my Patreon. Mekanom and Krista, Sequilin, Nancy, Samantha, Shanette, Sandro, Bath, Spencer, Gia, Joey, Sue, Lexi, Mr. and Mrs. Gavin. Thank you so much for helping me to make bigger and better contents. See you next week. 안녕! If you like this episode, please hit the like button. And if you wanna see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!